Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hope all of you will be fine. Dear students, I am also fine here. As we discussed in our previous class about the first in India, today we will study about states, capitals and languages. Before starting about the topic, I would like to tell you some important facts. Dear students, as you know, the name of our country is India. And India is the 7th largest country of the world according to area. I hope all of you know the first largest country of the world. Guess? Yes, what is the name? Yeah, you are exactly right. The name of the largest country of the world is Russia. Okay. And the 7th largest country is our country, India. As it is a very large country, so it is divided in small areas. And these small areas we will consider here as states. So I hope that all of you must know how many states are there in our country. I hope many of you know this answer, and your answer will be 29 states. Yes, you are exactly right. We are having 29 states in our country, but apart from these 29 states, we are having 7 Indian territories also. Now the states and in union territories, the difference is that in states we are having a state government and union territories are controlled by union government, that is central government. We used to say central government. Okay. Students, you will also read in this page that there are so many languages spoken in our country. Approximately 20,000 languages spoken in our country as mother tongue. But official languages we are having only 2, English and Hindi. I hope you also know Hindi is our national language. According to the schedule of Indian Constitution, we are having 22 languages, official languages of our country, but mainly 2 languages we have, English and Hindi. You might have visited many places in our country and you have noticed that people of different states speak different languages. As you go from our states to other states, the people used to speak different languages. And in this page we have given some languages and the name of the capitals of some states. As all of you know, the capital of our state is Patna. Similarly, we are having 29 states and all 29 states have their own capitals. Okay. You will learn which state having the capital name what and which language is spoken in that state. That is, people by that state. Okay, as you all know that in our own state, people used to speak different languages also, but Hindi we use and English we use as official language. That is the mother tongue. You know Bhojpuri, you know Maithili, etc. The languages spoken in our own state. Similarly, other states have different languages, and the people of those states used to speak. So let's come to our topic, which is given in our book, and the states, their capitals name and the languages spoken in these states. The first name is written here, Assam. Assam is the state whose capital is in Dispur. Means the name of the capital of Assam is Dispur, and the language spoken there is Assamese. Which language? Yes, Assamese. Now, in second, it is written Gujarat. So, the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Very good. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar, and the language spoken by the people of Gujarat is Gujarati. Exactly, you are right. The people of Gujarat used to speak language Gujarati. You have to fill in your book, as I am telling, once more I am telling, the name of the capital you have to fill in first case. So, Assam capital name is Dispur. I am writing here in one number. Here I am writing a state's name. Wait. Here I am writing a state's. Here capital. And here language is mother tongue. As written mother tongue, so I am writing here mother tongue. Now the first case, in first case we retain Assam. Okay. Assam, its capital name is Dispur, and the language spoken in Assam is Assamese. Okay, so right here Assamese. In second case, we written here Gujarat. A state name is Gujarat, and the capital of this state is Gandhinagar. So we will write here Gandhinagar. And which language is spoken here? Gujarati. Language is here Gujarati, means the people of Gujarat used to speak language Gujarati. Okay. In third number, a state name not written. What is written here? Capital name and mother tongue. So you have to identify which state it is. As the capital name written Imphal and mother tongue written Manipuri. So you can guess it, which state it is? Yes, it is Manipur. So we will write here in third number state name is Manipur. Okay. The capital of Manipur is Imphal, and the language spoken here Manipuri. Okay, means in this case you have to fill here. I am underlining where you have to fill. In this case you have to fill here, and in this case you have to fill here. That is the language spoken. In fourth number it is Bihar, our own state, and I hope all of you know the name of the capital of our state. Yes, you all are right. The name is Patna. Very good. So the fourth number state written here is Bihar, and the name of the capital of Bihar is Patna, and the language spoken here Hindi. Actually, the Bhojpuri language we used to speak, it is regional language, or you can also say it is mother tongue. In our own states, different languages are spoken also. Okay, but we write the language spoken in our state is Hindi. Okay, the next one is Mizoram. The next state name is written here Mizoram, and the capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. What we call Aizawl, and the language spoken there is Mizo. Okay, so you will write here in 5 number. The name of the state is Mizoram, okay, and the capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Mizoram. Sorry, here I have written wrong spelling. I am making it correct. It will be Mizoram. Okay, and the language, the capital of Mizoram is Aizawl, and the language spoken is Mizo. Okay, now in 6th number it is given in 6th number, again state name not given, only we have given capital name and the language spoken, that is the mother tongue. So as it is written here Thiruvananthapuram, capital name is Thiruvananthapuram. Once again I am telling Thiruvananthapuram. It is the capital name, and it is the capital name of a state Kerala, that we used to say Kerala. Okay, so Kerala is the state whose capital is Thiruvananthapuram, and the language or the mother tongue of there is, or that place is, yes, Malayalam. Good. So we write here the next one. Kerala is the state, and the capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram. It is a big name, Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, and the language spoken here is Malayalam. So we write here Malayalam. Okay, like this I am going to make you understand other states, their capitals and mother tongue. Accordingly, you will write in your notebook. You will make 3 columns in your notebook. In 1 column you will write the state name, other capitals, and second column capital, and third column mother tongue. Okay, so I am going to read rest. Listen carefully and you will write in your notebook. I will also send the PDF. Okay, so the next state written here is Punjab. Yes, it is Punjab and the capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Dear student, Chandigarh is not capital of Punjab only. It is also capital of Haryana. Okay, and Chandigarh is also Union Territory. Okay. Okay. Now the next state is here, Odisha. Odisha state's capital name is Bhubaneswar. What is the name? Bhubaneswar. And the mother tongue of Odisha is Odia. What is? Odia. O-D-I-A. Odia. So you have to write the mother tongue of Odisha is Odia. The next case, state name not written. Written here capital name and the mother tongue. As capital name written Jaipur and mother tongue written Rajasthani. So you surely guess the name of the state from here. Yes, you all are right. It is Rajasthan. Very good. So Rajasthan is the name which capital name is Jaipur and the mother tongue of Rajasthan is Rajasthani. Very good. The next state is written here West Bengal. West Bengal and the capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Actually in Hindi we read Kolkata but we write Kolkata. Okay. And in English and we write Kolkata and the mother tongue of Bengal is, tell the name. Yes, Bengali means the mother tongue of Bengali is Bengali. Bengali people used to speak the language Bengali. Dear students, as Hindi is the written language or we can write in Hindi, we can also write in Bengal. Bengali means in the people of Bengal used to write in Bengali language. That is written language also and spoken language also. Okay. As in Punjab, people used to write the language Punjabi and it is written language also. We can write in Punjabi also. Okay. The next state is Tamil Nadu. Dear students, the name of the capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai and the mother tongue of Tamil Nadu is Tamil. Okay. Now the next state name not written, capital name written and the mother tongue written. The capital name is here Bangalore and mother tongue is Kannada. So guess the name of the state? Yes, you are right. The name of the state is Karnataka and in Hindi we read Karnataka. Okay, so Karnataka is the state whose capital is Bangalore and the mother tongue of Karnataka is Kannada. Okay. The next state is written here Goa. Its capital name not written but its mother tongue written. So you have to find what is the capital name of Goa. Dear students, the capital name of Goa is Panji. What we read? Panji. P-A-N-A-J-I. Panji is the capital name of Goa. And what is the mother tongue of Goa? Yes, Konkani. What is the mother tongue? Konkani is the mother tongue of Goa. Now the next state name we have Uttar Pradesh. And I hope all of you know it is nearby us. So you must know the capital name. Yes, it is Lucknow. And as Hindi is our mother tongue, similarly Hindi is mother tongue of Uttar Pradesh. That is, the people of Uttar Pradesh used to speak Hindi language. Okay. And the last one here written, state name not written. What is written? Capital name and the language spoken. And I hope from here you can easily recognize as the capital name written Mumbai and the mother tongue written Marathi. You can easily guess which state it is. Very good. All of you are right. It is Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the state whose capital name is Mumbai and the mother tongue is Marathi. Dear students, as in the beginning I discussed you, here only written 15 states name and their capitals name. But we have 29 states in our country. So you must write the other states name and capital name. You will find it and you will write. I hope you understood this page properly, and now you will write down in your book also and notebook also. So thank you students. Bye bye. Please take care.